good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everybody in the world. It's JJ on JJ's PC Builds once again. I want to say this. I want to wish everybody a happy St. Patrick's Day from mine to yours. And yes, I made this quick video just to let you know, all my subscribers, I want to wish you all a happy St. Patrick's Day. Just to let you know that we're not going to do anything about PC on this video because it's just a special St. Patrick's Day video just for you all. Let you know that we do appreciate you signing up with us and becoming part of the JJ's PC Builds family. I figure, I'll do something special for y'all, and I'm doing a happy St. Patrick's Day special for y'all. Make sure you get your green on. I got my green on right here. Make sure you get your green on, and you have definitely a great St. Patrick's Day. And make sure you all, if you're going to go out and party tonight, make sure you all stay safe. And do yourself a favor, if you're going to drink, I know it sounds like I'm a dad, I'm kind of doing the dad thing with y'all. Make sure you all don't drive if you're going to drink. Make sure you got a designated driver that's going to drink either water or Coke or a coffee. Make sure they don't drink any alcohol or anything because you don't want to be in any accidents. I want to make sure all my subscribers stay safe. So this way, y'all can come and see me on the next video. I always do this once in a while, when holidays come around, I just let y'all know, be safe, practice safety, and, always have that designated driver if you're going to go anywhere. If you're going to stay at home, then, if you're going to have a party at your house or anything, make sure you keep everybody there until they're sober. That's another practice too. Always a good thing. But anyway, I just wanted to wish you all that happy St. Patrick's Day. And this is your first time watching my videos. Your first time here. Make sure you subscribe. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. And we're trying to get to 4,000 watch hours. The reason why I always say this in my videos is because YouTube has got the strictest rules when it comes to getting monetized. Okay, the monetization basically, and believe it or not, and I heard it from some people, that when you get monetized and stuff like that, YouTube doesn't pay that much. Okay, whatever is made from YouTube is going to go directly into the channel. Just to let you know that, if you didn't know that. Like buying PC parts and stuff like that, so that way when, I do the videos, I can show you guys some builds as well. This helps towards getting, builds going and stuff like that until I can figure out how Patreon works. Right now, I haven't figured out how Patreon works. I'm kind of, figuring it out, so maybe y'all can let me know in the comments below how I can go about it. When to set up on Patreon, because that'd be my first something that's going to help promote the channel. So, but we are on Twitter, just to let you know that we do have a Twitter, and it's on my main home page, my main YouTube page. There's a link up there, so you can click on it and go to my Twitter page. If not, I'm sure my link will be in the video description below for Twitter. If you don't know where that is, it's just look at the video description below. You know how it goes. But anyway, like I said, this is not a PC related video. Well, it's a video, but it's not going to be, I'm not going to talk about PCs because it's a happy St. Patrick's Day. I'm just trying to keep it happy and go lucky. But anyway, I'm not going to bore you all with this crazy video. But anyway, like I said, if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe. And it would help out the channel if you become a part of the JJ's PC Builds family. We would love to have you, as a member of the family. Everybody that sees my videos, they always throw a comment in there. They always, I always, comment back if you put a comment on the video, and so on and so forth. Do remember too, I'm just going to stress this, on Thursdays between 1 o'clock p.m. Pacific Standard Time and 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Okay, I say in between those times because I'm not sure, because I'm doing real life things. But when I get back home, I get in here and I get everything set up to do live videos. So I do apologize, it's not on a solid form factor right now, but it will be in time. In time, we will get you a solid number to where I'm going to be on here. So, with the live video. So, but if it becomes too much of a hassle, then I'll pick another day. Maybe y'all can leave a comment below and let me know what kind of day would be the best day for you all for me to do a live stream. Stream to you guys live so you can be here. I just don't want to have 1 or 2 people here. I want to have everybody. I'm over 100 plus. I want everybody to, get in on the live videos and stuff like that. Or should I just, and this is another thing, maybe instead of me just making videos, maybe I should just do straight live videos. You all let me know in the comments below if I should do all live videos or I should just do videos. Which one would be the easiest, do you think? But anyway, I'm not going to get into all that because I know y'all are having a great St. Patty's Day, and y'all make sure you do have a great St. Patty's Day. But until the next time, in the next video, this is JJ on JJ's PC Builds. We will see you. We will see you on the next one.